और अब सीधे ले चलते हैं आपको विज्ञान भवन, जहां दिल्ली उच्च न्यायालय की 50वीं वर्षगांठ के अवसर पर कार्यक्रमों का आयोजन किया जा रहा है।
The Chief Justice of Delhi High Court and the Honorable Lieutenant Governor has mentioned it to you, and you have seen in the short film also that the contribution of the Delhi High Court to the development of law apport, there has been a special chapter in the legal history of Delhi High Court insofar as development of IPR law is concerned. Intellectual property right cases, mostly, not all of them, have been decided by the judges in Delhi High Court. And what is interesting is that these judgments are noticed alongside judgments of the apex courts of other countries by important review and research centers like Yale, Harvard, Oxford and Cambridge. ADR systems, I think Delhi High Court was, after Madras, the second court which started the mediation center in Delhi High Court. Of course, there was some resistance in the beginning because the bar had its own misgivings about whether mediation should or should not be encouraged. The members of the bar felt that if cases are settled by mediation, their professional interests may be hurt. But it is interesting to note that today you have 263 trained mediators from the bar who are running the Delhi High Court Mediation Center, which has settled 6,707 cases since 2006, a creditable performance for which I compliment the bar as also the judges of the Delhi High Court. International Arbitration Center, established for the first time in any high court, also is a rare and a very useful addition to the system here. The figures were shown to you: 1,275 disputes referred, out of which 585 arbitral awards have already been made by the arbitrators. All told, I think if you look back, you should be immensely satisfied with your performance. You should be happy that you have, within a short period of just about 5 decades, risen to be reckoned as one of the premier courts in the country. This is a great achievement, partly because you have the best of talent in terms of human resource available in this part of the country, and partly because you have had the distinction of having very good, extremely important part of the story is that you had very, very knowledgeable, very, very erudite, very scholarly and committed Chief Justices from time to time who led from the front. But can we rest on the laurels of the past is the question. Is it enough to say we have done well over the past 50 years? We are today a reckonable institution in the system and therefore we can relax. I would think no. I think this is an occasion to do some soul searching, some introspection, and also for rededication, because the task ahead is formidable. We all know that with increased prosperity, awareness and literacy, cases are flowing into courts in larger numbers today. And where can it be felt more than in Delhi, which has a very, very literate, very aware, highly sensitive citizenry. I think it is natural that Delhi judiciary will come under tremendous pressure in the times to come, given the fact that there are difficulties in keeping pace with the avalanche of cases that keeps coming. unfortunately, whose number remains limited. I was very happy hearing Mr. Kejriwal today commit his support for expansion in Delhi High Court and in the subordinate judiciary in Delhi. Financial constraints will not stand in the matter of making access to justice a reality. That is absolutely in tune with our constitutional philosophy, that access to justice should be a reality. And it cannot be a reality if people have to wait for years and years to get their cases decided. We also need to introspect about the public perception about our rectitude. It's painful to see sometimes aberrations occurring at some level or the other, which bring a disrepute to the entire institution. I think Delhi High Court has achieved much, but in terms of ensuring that such incidents do not happen, there is much more to be done. I would only hope that brother judges at all levels take extra care not to give any room for any doubt about anything which is unreasonable or which is not in tune with judicial ethics and professional rectitude. I compliment all of you, congratulate you for all that you have done. I can only say that as Chief Justice of India and as a former judge of the Delhi High Court, I consider it a matter of great pride to have been associated with the Delhi judiciary and to be reckoned and to have been recognized as one of you, maybe for a short period of 4 years only. I hope and trust that you will, over the times to come, continue to do your best, notwithstanding difficulties that we are all aware of, notwithstanding denials that you may all be suffering, notwithstanding the criticism that may be heaped on you for many things that could be done but have not been done. I'm sure that if you dedicate yourself, if you commit yourself to carrying on this movement of doing justice, unpolluted justice, speedy justice and affordable justice, you will be doing a great service not only to the institution of which you are a part, but also to the cause of justice and the society at large. Thank you very much and God bless you.